Hey there, green thumbs. It's your favorite garden guru here, and today I've got some awesome hacks to keep your garden thriving in the scorching heat. Yep, we're diving into hot weather watering tips. So grab your watering can and let's get started. First up, it's all about timing. The best time to water your plants is early in the morning or late in the evening. Why? Because watering during the heat of the day can actually burn your plants. The sun evaporates the water before it reaches the roots, leaving your plants thirsty and stressed. So, set that alarm a bit earlier or take a sunset stroll with your hose. Your plants will thank you. Next, let's talk about the amount of water. In hot weather, plants need about an inch of water per week. But don't just sprinkle it on the surface. Deep watering is key. This means soaking the soil to encourage roots to grow deeper, making your plants more drought resistant. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation system if you can. They're efficient and get the water right where it needs to be, at the roots. Mulch, mulch, mulch. I can't stress this enough. Mulch acts like a cozy blanket for your soil, keeping it cool and moist. Plus, it reduces evaporation. Organic mulches like straw, wood chips, or compost are fantastic choices. Just spread a 2-3 inch layer around your plants, but be careful not to pile it against the stems. You don't want to suffocate them. Now for a little DIY magic. Create your own self-watering system using plastic bottles. Simply poke a few holes in the sides of a bottle, bury it halfway near your plants, and fill it with water. The water will slowly seep out, giving your plants a steady drink throughout the day. It's an easy, cost-effective way to keep your garden hydrated. Be mindful of your plants' needs. Different plants have different water requirements. For instance, tomatoes love consistent moisture, while succulents prefer to dry out between waterings. Group plants with similar needs together to make your watering routine more efficient. And always keep an eye on your plants. If they start wilting or showing signs of stress, it's time to adjust your watering schedule. Lastly, don't forget to give your plants a little TLC. Check for any signs of pests or diseases and remove any dead or yellowing leaves. Healthy plants are better equipped to handle the heat, so a little extra care goes a long way. There you have it, folks. With these hot weather watering hacks, your garden will stay green and lush all summer long. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more gardening wisdom. Happy gardening, everyone.